Well, I see something over here. An old piece of farm equipment. Deep in the woods. And I'm talking about thick. I'll just about go anywhere for a video. Yeah. This is some kind of old farm equipment. Looks like something maybe to bale up hay. Check this out. Check this out, YouTubers. Like I told you, if it's got wheels on it, I'm going to film it. I have no idea how old this would be. Maybe some of you guys would know. It looks to me, there's a briar to cut my leg. It looks to me like it would be something to bale hay. These forks here, or teeth, whatever you want to call it. Just about taken over by these briars. Out here looking for some cars. It's supposed to be out here in the woods. I found a couple. Ran across this. I'll put this in my farm. Put this under the farm equipment videos that I have. It appears that used to, maybe the seat was over here somewhere. It's pretty old equipment. Wished I could get in here a lot closer, but there is briars. I don't know, you can't really see it maybe too good on the video, but they're all over the place, and I am in shorts. And I have taken a lot of mosquito bites. I came across one snake